Hi and welcome back to our channel. We are going to talk about how to buy XRP in the US. In this video, we are going to share with you a list of the 5 best cryptocurrency exchanges from where you can buy XRP in the US with minimum fees and transaction charges. So watch this video till the end to better understand all the marketplaces. On number 1, we have Qcoin. If you are a US resident, then Qcoin is the best secure cryptocurrency exchange from where you can easily buy XRP. Also, if you create a new account on Qcoin, you can get up to 500 USDT in bonuses as a welcome gift. With Qcoin, you can buy XRP in just 2 simple steps. First is to create a Qcoin account and then buy coins with a credit card or through bank transfer, Apple Pay, or other options. Now let's demonstrate for you how to buy XRP on Qcoin. Click on the sign up button on the top right corner, fill in the required information here and then click on the sign up button. After you sign up or log in successfully, click on Markets in the top navigation bar. Here you will see all the cryptocurrencies that are available to buy on Qcoin. Since you want to buy XRP, look up for it in the list or you can also use this search bar. Once you find XRP, click on the trade button and you will be taken to the XRP USDT trading platform. Here you can see the buy and sell section. For limit order, enter your USDT price here and enter your XRP amount here and then click on the Buy XRP button. For market order, click on the Market tab, enter the USDT amount here and then click on the Buy XRP button. Let's move on. On number 2, we have Bitrue. The second crypto exchange platform we recommend for buying XRP in the US is Bitrue. To buy XRP, you need an account on Bitrue. Click on the sign up button on the top right corner. Here enter all the required fields and then click on the sign up button. If you already have an account with Bitrue, click on the login button on the top right corner. Here enter your registered email ID and enter your password here and then click on the login button. After you sign up or log in successfully, click on Exchange in the top navigation bar and you will be taken to the trading platform. If the trading platform is showing any other cryptocurrency data, you can change it to XRP USD from the left side bar. Below the trading graph, you will find the buy-sell section. Here enter the USDT price and then enter the amount of XRP here that you wish to buy and then click on the Buy XRP button. Moving on number 3, we have Uphold. With Uphold, you can trade between cryptocurrencies, precious metals, US equities, and national currencies in one easy step. It is really easy to buy XRP from Uphold in the US. As you can see here, the interface is very simple and easy to use. This is the From section. Here, enter the amount that you want to spend and then select your currency from this drop-down menu. And after that, it will show you its equivalent value in USD. You can also change it from this drop-down menu. This is the To section. Click on the drop-down and search for XRP and then click on it. Now here you can see the amount of XRP that you will get with your invested amount. If you change the amount in the From section, the XRP amount here will get automatically updated. Below, you can see the XRP to USD conversion rate. Once you have filled everything, click on the Get Started button here. Now you need to log in, so enter your registered email ID and your password here and then click on the Next button. But if you don't have an account with Uphold, click on the Sign Up button now at the top of the page. On number 4, we have Bitflyer. This is the largest cryptocurrency exchange. It has 2.5 million users and it develops other crypto-related technology as well. With Bitflyer, you can get your XRP in just 3 simple steps. The first step is to sign up with Bitflyer, and this is absolutely free. Enter and verify your email address to get started. There are no fees for opening an account on Bitflyer. The second step is to complete account verification. Unlock full functionality by verifying your identity in less than 5 minutes. And the last step is to fund your Bitflyer account instantly. You can deposit US dollars via ACH for free, and you can have instant access to your funds. And you don't need to wait for 3 to 5 days to start trading. Click on the Create an Account button on the top right corner. Here you need to enter your email ID and then click on Sign up for free. But if you already have an account on Bitflyer, then just click on the Login button here. Last but not the least, on number 5, we have FTX Trading Limited. FTX is a centralized cryptocurrency exchange specializing in derivatives and leveraged products. It supports the most commonly traded cryptocurrencies. The key product offerings on FTX include futures, leveraged tokens, options, move contracts, and spot markets. Now, to buy XRP on FTX, you need to create an account first. For this, click on the Create a Free Account button on the top right corner here. Now here, enter your email ID and create a password here. Tick the box of Terms and Service and then click on the Create Account button. If you already have an account on FTX, click on the Sign In button at the bottom of the page. After you sign up or log in successfully, click on All Markets under the Market button in the top left corner, and you will be taken to the Market page. On the search bar, type XRP and select the XRP USD pair. You will be taken to the XRP USD trading platform. Here below the trading graph, you will see the Buy and Sell section. On the Buy XRP tab, enter the price in USD here at which you want to buy. Select the order type from this drop-down menu. Here, enter the XRP amount that you wish to buy. And then here, you will see the total amount in USD that you have to pay. Once you have filled all the fields, click on the Buy XRP button. And thus we have shown you the 5 top cryptocurrency exchange platforms from where you can buy XRP in the US. And those were KuCoin, Bitrue, Uphold, Bitflyer, and lastly FTX Trading Limited. With this, our tutorial on how to buy XRP in the US is complete. This brings this video to an end. We truly hope you liked it. If you have any suggestions or want us to make a video on any specific topic, feel free to comment below. And for more such videos, make sure to stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.